Alright, Daddy Guyver here. My scooter's power button broke on it right under here, so I had no way to turn it on anymore. Instead, I figured out I'm going to use this latch hook to just complete the circuit inside of here on the circuit board, and we'll be able to turn it on that way. So let's check it out. And there you can see, turned it right on. Got the light on it. And there we change the mode to the red light. Turn that back off, and then back off. Right there. Little latch hook, and we're hot wiring a scooter. Alright, have a good one. Here's Doggy Guyver. Doggy Guyver. Doggy Guyver.